I'm getting error 8009-2004. And that's for this update here. So I'm going to follow the instructions over here. It says to install KB4490628, which I'm going to try doing. Seems to be easy to find. And I just need to find it for Windows 7. And download and install it. There's two of them. This one and this one. So I just need it. Let me try the first one. Try running it and let's see if it helps. This is not the first one. Let me try the last one. Maybe that was the 32-bit version. Hopefully this solves my problem. Looks like it might work. Yes. So I think the first one I chose was the 32-bit version, but what I needed was a 64-bit version. Just guessing. It's done. Let me try again, and hopefully it works now. It was installing, and finally it finished. So, that fixed my problem, and now I have all my Windows updates. Easy peasy.